Today in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and in this short and quick video I would like to show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. To start, you gotta have, well, the smartphone itself and the packaging that it came in. Here's mine. Then at the phone launch settings, enter the system category. Onwards go for about phone, status, and find the serial number spec. Then take the packaging the smartphone came in. The packaging somewhere should have the same sticker that mine has, that contains the IMEI numbers and other useful specifications of this phone, but the only thing that we are interested in is SN, thus serial number. So simply compare the SN that is written over here at the sticker and that you have inside your phone specifications, and as long as those two correspond or are identical, that means that you are indeed an owner of an original ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.